So this is strictly going to be some practice doing function operations, plugging something in and plugging the result into the next. So we'll do a couple of these. In this case here, we have a new set of equations. It's easier to refer to, at least for instruction purposes on the video here. G of 3. So you plug in 3 to the 4th power. So if we're ignoring this for a second, 3 to the 4th power is 81. So we're going to take the 81 and we're going to plop it into F, because this is saying whatever this gives me, I'm then going to plug into F. So F of 81, what does F say? Well, that's the square root. Square root of 81 is 9. All right. Blah, blah, blah. Look around, look around. Okay, so same thing with this and this. And the question then, what do you do if it's an X? Well, you can't plug it in and do what we did here. Okay, but h of x is just referring to that equation. Okay, so we're going to take that equation and do what? Well, we're going to plug it into F. Okay, well, F says take the square root of whatever x is, and x in this case isn't an x, it's an entire equation. So, boils down to that is your F equation, square root of something, and that something happens to be whatever h of x represents. And in this case here, that is a 16x squared. And technically that's it, but it can be simplified. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of x squared is x. That right there is a simplified form of it. That's new and exciting, so we'll do one more of those maybe. We'll do the g of f of h of x. So we'll start on the inside. Again, we're going to start with that 16x squared. Hey, look at there. Something cool just happened, if you recognized it. F of h of x is what we just did. Okay, so if we look at that and take some of the stuff we've already done, we know that all that stuff that I've got boxed up there is a 4x. We're going to take that, plug it into the g equation. Oh my goodness, and it's going to get big. And that's okay. So we've got 4x. And what are we doing to it? Well, according to g of x, we're going to raise that to the 4th power. Okay, so 4 raised to the 4th power is equal to 256. All right, so do that, 256, and then x to the 4th is just x to the 4th. So that is what it is.